Okay, let's build something. Okay, so when we enter in the build mode, we have to make a trace, a line trace for the impact point on this eventic. This is a trigger for every frame. Let's create a custom event. Add custom event. Let's name it build for now. Okay, build. Okay, now we have to connect this line trace by channel. We have to connect it to the camera. Where is the construction and graph? No, viewport. Okay, we'll use this this follow camera to trace a line from it. Okay, for that we have to transfer this camera to the building component. We will do that in here in the event of beginning play. Okay, we will get player character, cast to third person character, and we'll get the follow camera, and we have to promote it to a variable local variable to this build component. Okay, promote to variable. It have the same name. Very good for me. Okay, let's put this more. Okay, order. Okay, so for now we need the camera. Okay, let's go to eventic. We have the start and the end of the line trace. How did I say? We will use the follow camera. We will take the position, the world location, and the forward vector. The forward vector is the direction of the camera. Okay. Now let's we have to multiplicate to add this location with this forward camera. Okay. Let's add this. with a multiplication of this forward vector. Let's put here 500, okay, and let's multiply it again with 1500. Okay, we add this with this, and we have the start point, and add again with this. So let me go back for okay. Okay, this is the end point. Let's make it a for duration, no, for one frame, and add this with this. Okay, let's see if it's working. Okay, so yeah, we have to limit this Ventic on build mode. So if this build mode is on, the line trace is active. If not, it doesn't. So let's see now. I press the B key and the trace mode is on. I press the B key again, the trace mode is off. Okay, now we have to make a variable if we can or not build. Let's promote the variable. Can build and make it boolean single boolean. Okay, next we'll set this boolean so if we hit something, we'll set this boolean on. Can build, and if we don't, we'll set this boolean off. Okay, we have to take to store here this third person character. So we'll promote this to another variable. It's okay, third person character. Let's set this. Okay. So we have to attach the mesh, the ghost mesh. The ghost mesh I will attach to this person character. Okay. Let's go back to build cycle. Okay, so now we will take this, we'll break this data because we need this start, trace start and end start, and we'll promote to a variable. Promote to variable. We'll call it location. No, sorry. We need this start, trace start and end. No. We need, so we break this out hit because we need impact point and trace end. Okay, let's create a variable. We'll call it location. Let's make it transform and set location. We'll break. We split this structure. Let's copy and paste. So if we hit something, can build will be true and our location will be impact point. If we don't hit something, can build will be false, and the location will be end trace. Okay. Now we have to create the mesh, but for now, let's create another variable, item to build. Let's call it item to build, and will be build item struct we will put this in this variable the first item of the let's make another custom. We do that for test. For the future, we'll manipulate this object dynamically, this item. But for now, we'll force to first just for test. So for that, we will set this item, set this variable for the first item, first item from the list. Let's get a copy of zero index. Zero index is the first item who appear on the user interface. Okay. This is for the test, only for the test. So we need to add a static mesh component. Static we have to refer to this to our player and component by class. Okay, and the component by class have to be static mesh component. Okay. We will promote this to a variable. Promote to variable. We'll call it build ghost. But we have to do something first. We don't want to create this this mesh, this build ghost for every frame. So we have to check first if we have the build ghost. Is come on, oh, okay, is valid. So this, if this ghost is valid, we will do nothing. But if it is not valid, we will create it, and then create it, and we have to set his collision, set collision enable no collision, for not to interact with nothing on the map. Okay, let's set his position, the mesh position. So let's set collision enable, then set world transform, all transform. Okay, and here we put the location this location, which it will be, I repeat, the impact point or the end trace. Okay. And if the ghost is valid, we will not create again the ghost, but we will set the new position. Let's see if it's work. Okay, build mode on, not working. Let's see why. Oh, I did not set the static mesh. I have to set the static mesh. Set static mesh. The static mesh will be sorry. The static mesh will be the static mesh from item to build. Get item to build. Let's break that. And we will take from here the mesh. Okay. Let's move this. Okay. We have that to put in here. So this order, we create the ghost. Set no. Let's set collision, no collision, and then this order. It's more okay. Okay. This order is more efficient. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we have this mesh. So if we have an impact point, let's go to flat. If we have an impact point, this this mesh will be on the terrain. But if we are in the sky, it will trace by the end trace of the line trace. So this is the difference. Here is on the surface, and here is in the air. Okay, but now if we press the B key again, the static mesh will remain on the map. So we have to remove when the building mode is off. So we go here on the event tick. If build mode is off, we take the third person character and the build ghost. Okay, we have to check first if build ghost is valid. So if is valid, we have to remove, but we can do that here. We have to make the third person character and graph, and we will create here add custom event. We'll call it destroy component. Okay, we will add an input. Let's call it component, and it have to be an actor component. Actor component. Okay. And destroy component. Okay. Let's go back to build component and from the third person component we have to destroy component. To call this so let's see now if it's working. So we have the mesh. Component. Destroy component. It was the wrong function. So build mode on, build mode off, build mode on, build mode off. Okay guys, for this episode is enough. We next episode we will set a ghost mesh. If we can build, will be green. If we can't build, will be orange. We'll continue, and thank you for watching.